So this is a process that I have always followed because when I went into the curly hair stylist, they asked me to come in with my hair conditioned, detangled, dried, and unstyled. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I focus on growing healthy, natural hair. Today's video is going to be all about getting a curly cut or a curly trim. And I decided to make this video because when I went in for my first curly cut, I was so nervous that I didn't prep my hair right, which in the end I did. So I continue to follow the same routine every single time I go into a hair salon because I have noticed that every single hair salon I have gone to either tells you over the phone to follow these steps or on their website. So I actually did not go into the salon because here in Texas, the COVID cases are still very high. So I actually got a quarantine cut and I let my boyfriend cut my hair. So you will see that video come out very soon and you'll get to see how that went. But if you are interested to see how you should prep your hair before you go into the salon or before you cut your hair, keep on watching. So my hair is a complete mess right now, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and get it together. Just wanted to show you a before of my ends so you can see what they look like now, and then we are going to get into prepping my hair. So I'm going to start off by shampooing my hair just like I normally would, and I'm going to use the InnerSense Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. And I start off by focusing on my scalp directly and just really scrubbing it into my scalp. And then I am going to use my scalp massager to go in and really get all of that product buildup out. And this is important because you don't want product weighing your hair down when you're getting it cut. So I'm going to go all around my head with the scalp massager, making sure that my scalp is extremely clean. And the way that the rest of my hair will get clean is by flipping my hair over when I rinse it out, and that will allow the shampoo to reach the very ends of my hair because as you can see, I am not going to smooth shampoo throughout my hair. Next, I am going to condition my hair, and I am going to use the InnerSense Hydrating Conditioner. And you can see it's almost out, but I am grabbing as much as I can so that I can smooth this throughout my entire head and making sure that I go from roots to end with this product. So you do want to make sure that you are covering all of the strands of your hair and really saturating the hair with conditioner. And then I am going to clip my hair up after everything is covered and let it sit in my hair for 5 minutes while I continue to wash my body in the shower. And then I will be back on to show you what my hair looks like afterwards and what process we'll go through after that. So now I am back and I'm taking my hair down, and I do still have conditioner in it because I want to finger detangle my hair, and I think that it is easier for me to detangle my hair when I have conditioner still in it. And I work my way from the ends to the top of my head, and that is just a technique that I like to use because it helps me so that I'm not creating tangles as I go down my head. And you can use whatever technique you usually use to detangle. This is just me showing you what I normally do. So I'll go ahead and finish detangling the rest of my head, and then we will be back on to show you the next step. right, now my hair is completely detangled, so I'm going to rinse my hair out with cool water and pop back on and show you what product I'm going to use. So they do normally ask that you use little to no product in your hair before you come in and that your hair is completely dry. So I'm going to only use a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner by Sense because it is a lighter conditioner, and I'm just going to lightly spray it throughout my hair. I'm going to rake it into my hair, use the praying hands method, rake it again, and then do some scrunching and let it dry. And that is it. So this is a process that I have always followed because when I went into the curly hairstylist, they asked me to come in with my hair conditioned, detangled, dried, and unstyled. So you don't want to do twist outs, you don't want to put braids in your hair, you don't want to use a ponytail holder, you just want your hair to hang loosely while it dries so that they can see your actual curl pattern, and it helps them to better determine how they should be cutting your hair so that you get the best results in the end. And because they want your hair to be completely dry when you come into the salon, I usually start this 3 hours before my actual appointment so that my hair is 100% dry. And I do not schedule any morning appointments because I hate waking up early, and if I have to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning to make sure that my hair is dry for a 7 or 8 o'clock appointment, it just won't happen and I'm going to miss that appointment. So just a thing to think about there. And although this is very easy to follow and very easy to do, it is very important that you are actually following a routine like this because you just want to make sure that your hair is completely prepped in a way that the stylist can do your hair to the best of their ability. And here I am with my hair completely prepped and dry, and you can see that my hair is conditioned, but I didn't apply anything that would manipulate my curl, and I didn't manipulate my curl on my own, so I'm ready to go. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope that it helps you to feel more confident as you are going into the hair salon, whether it is your first cut or a trim or whatever. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the videos coming out in the future, especially the one where I'm getting my quarantine cut. And as always, I will see you next time.